Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have an RCA ViSys DECT 6.0 phone, either just the handset or the handset and the headset, and you need to replace the battery on either the handset or the headset. Now, you might be here because you know you need to replace the battery or because one of them is not working. One of the main things that might be going on is the batteries are dead. These batteries they're rechargeable obviously, but they don't last forever, and we can replace them very easily. As you can see, just on the back of the handset, you have this cover that just slides off, and the same thing with the actual headset. There's a cover that slides off. So all we need to do is, first of all, make sure we have the right battery, and I'll put a link in the description to where you can get the battery both for the handset and for the headset. And basically they plug in. You'll see when you remove the cover on them, you'll pull the battery out, they'll plug in. Make sure your phone is in standby when you do this. Don't do this when it's on, or the same with the headset. And then you'll unplug it, plug your new battery in, put it in, and then put the cover back on. And then do not use your phone right away. These batteries need to be charged for 14 hours once we replace them. So then let the battery fully charge for 14 hours, and then you should be good to go. So again, I'll put a link in the description to both of the batteries. Thanks a lot for watching.